Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want powerful CRM tools, contact management, and marketing automation, connecting HubSpot to Squarespace is a great option. So, in today's small tutorial, I will show you how to integrate Squarespace with HubSpot in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First, log in to the HubSpot. Just open the website and go to your dashboard by basically logging in using your email address and password. Go create or select a form, go to marketing, then forms, and create a form. Then copy the embed code, choose basically embed and copy the generated code. It's time now so we can open our Squarespace website. So log in again using your email address and password here. It will show you this dashboard. So it's time to open the page editor. So we are here, we're gonna tap on edit. So we are basically editing this page. For example, go all the way and add block. So we are looking to actually add a code block. So we have multiple options here: text, images, button, forms. As you see, code, we have the code. We have actually two basically different types of code. We have this type number one. So basically you tap it, you paste, you select if you want HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or even more. Then you paste your code here. As for second, we have this embed code. I will show you. Okay, so now this is the second one. It's basically where you put a link here and hit enter, then you can save it later whatsoever. But for now, we're gonna use this one. So select the code, then paste it, save, then publish. You can then test the form by submitting a test entry and confirm it appears in the HubSpot. And that's it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.